Got the bling. Album of the year. What's going on, guys? It is your boy Alan Michael over here, bringing you guys another video today from Fashion Knows Me. And today I am like excited to bring you this video. It's been a minute. I know I haven't been posting anything really on my channel, but I've been super busy with work. And like I said in all my other videos, this is something that I really like doing. It's a hobby of mine, but at the same time I really kind of want to take this a little bit more seriously. Holy, sun's coming in hot right now, man. I'm looking white as hell. But as you can see, some things are different. I did color my hair. Right now it's actually like a silver, which is pretty sick. Damn, I look nice. Basically, I just wanted to make this quick video for you guys. It's basically just gonna be an unboxing and review of the brand new Off-White blazers in the full orange canvas color. And I'm just extremely like blessed to be in a position where I actually know somebody that can get me these shoes for retail. A few years ago, like when I started getting into like fashion and stuff, when I would try to buy sneakers, I didn't have too much knowledge or experience on the sneaker culture and how you can actually be scammed. Like I wasn't really informed too much of that. So I've been scammed a few times for quite a bit of money, and it's definitely not the best feeling in the world, knowing that you're scammed for hundreds or even thousands of dollars for a pair of shoes. And now that I'm in a position where I know somebody that can actually get me these shoes that typically I would spend resale price for, I can get it for retail. And I'm just extremely blessed and appreciative of the guy that, you know, does this for me. So if you're watching the video, you know who you are. Thank you so much, bro. I really appreciate it. He's actually a subscriber of the channel, so yeah. But yeah, let's get right into this. So I did happen to get both pairs, the black and the orange. But the black one, I decided to get it for a friend of mine who knows the struggle, who relates to the grind. So I just wanted to help him out. So I was able to get him a pair in his size. Like, I'm just so happy to get one pair, let alone two. Yeah, man, let's get right into it. So, all right. So as you can see over here, we got the iconic box, the Off-White Nike collab box. It says Nike swoosh on the lid, as you can see, and you got the where is it over here, that Off-White, you know how it says. And I got it from Essence, as you can see, so that's the tags and everything and all that. So let's get right into it. All right. Favorite colorway. I think this is probably even better than the OG colorway in my opinion. And the blazer is probably one of my favorite silhouettes of the 10 collab with Off-White. And I really love the silhouette of the blazer. I think in my opinion it's one of the better silhouettes that Nike's created. It's definitely like a skater high top shoe. Just the color, the combination of the orange and the beige, it really sticks out. And then you have like just little accents, this blue accent over here, and then you have this, you know, blue Off-White tag. It's like a baby blue, and you just got like the orange stitching on the tongue. And just all in all, it's just such a beautiful shoe. And like I said, I'm extremely happy to you know, receive a pair like this. Virgil's done a great job with the Off-White Nike collab. I think, in my opinion, out of all the shoes he's released, I don't see one of them being a shoe that I wouldn't rock. Like, all of them are super nice, and all of them I would wear. It's just some of them I wouldn't pay resale for, if that makes any sense. Like, I would wear it, but I wouldn't pay resale for it. But all in all, this is such a great shoe. The black colorway, in my opinion, is super nice. It goes hand in hand with this one. Like, I would slightly choose this one over the black one, just because it's a little bit more daring, and the black ones, you know, I have black shoes, as you can see here. I got the Prestos, I got my Desert Rats, I got my pirate blacks, even though I really don't wear it. But so I kind of wanted to go in a different colorway and maybe kind of just spice up my color scheme in my wardrobe a little bit. Also, it comes with a blue shoelace. I think this shoelace would look super fire on this shoe just because of how it kind of color blocks the orange together. The combination is super nice, as you can see over here. Like, you just got that great differential. These are on the market right now for close to 1,000 Canadian, and I didn't even pay 200 for these. So the profit that you can make on these shoes is extremely incredible. $800 is a lot of money. I'm just extremely blessed to be able to get a shoe of this magnitude and this rarity, and you know, just a shoe that I actually genuinely love. So I'm just beyond happy, and I just can't wait to put these on feet. I'm probably gonna rock these at SneakerCon, hands down. Like, I just can't wait to wear these, man. Like, I'm pretty excited. So shout out to you, man, for getting me these. You know who you are. I really appreciate it. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed the video, I know I'm like the most amateur unboxer ever. So if you guys still enjoyed my video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit that like button. And if you guys want to see how I would style these shoes, don't forget to follow my Instagram at Algoveia, ALGOUVEIA. I will be bringing fit pics. I kind of try to upload pics of my outfits on a weekly basis. Sometimes I try to put out 2 or 3 pics on a week, but it's kind of hard because I work so much. So if you guys want to see how I would style these, don't forget to follow my Instagram at Algoveia. Hit that subscribe button, guys. Thank you so much.